What we're going to look at now is histograms. A histogram is a little bit like a bar chart, except for the bars can be different widths. So if we look at the test scores here, the first one goes from 0 to 30, so the width is 30. The second one goes from 30 to 40, so the width is 10. The first thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to call it the class width. And I'm going to work out what the class width is for each one. So from 0 to 30 is 30, 30 to 40, 10, 40 to 50 is 10 also, 50 to 70 is 20, 70 to 100 is 30. So as you can see, there's a varying class width, therefore our bars will be different widths as we plot those. So another difference with a histogram and a bar chart is that on a histogram, it is the area of the bar. So the area of the bar represents the frequency. So if you look up the side here, what we have is the frequency density rather than the frequency. So if it's the area of the bar which is the frequency, then what we're going to be working out is how wide the bar is multiplied by the frequency density. So the frequency is equal to frequency density, which I'll just shorten to FD, multiplied by the class width, which I'll shorten to CW. So we're given the frequency and the class width, so we need to work out what the frequency density will be, which means that frequency divided by class width is equal to our frequency density. And that's a formula that you will need to remember. So if we work it out for these, we want to know what the frequency density is. So the frequency density is the frequency divided by class width. 15 divided by 30, 0.5. 22 divided by 10, 2.2. 28 divided by 10 is 2.8. 30 divided by 20 is 1.5, and 9 divided by 30 is 0.3. Now what you want to do is just plot that onto your axes. We've got from 0 to 30 should go up to 0.5. Okay, and do this in a pencil in case you make a little mistake like I just have. From 30 to 40 should go up to 2.2. From 40 to 50 is 2.8. From 50 to 70 is 1.5. So across there. And finally, 70 up to 100 is just 0.3. Like so. So that is the completed histogram. We can use this to find different things like estimating between 20 and 60, which we will be doing in the lesson next week.